Hey guys, thanks for joining us. We're Threads of Light, and we would like to just promo our new and upcoming show, which was on the 16th, so at 2 o'clock. So we'd like you all to join us for that. So today is just a short promo for that. And I'd like to hand you over to Joanne.
Yeah, we would just like to thank all of those viewers who watched our Sunday edition where we introduced the warp and web threads. It was a fantastic gathering and really lifted the energies. So if you'd like to know more about that, just go back to that 29th of November viewing, and all the web threads and the warp and web threads are listed underneath the video. And you'll be able to find out where you can purchase them and how much they are. So Dorothy's just now going to talk about what our next show's all about, and we're really excited about that.
Right, so on the 21st of December 2020 is a huge, I'm trying to get my hands in here, portal of light coming in for us. So there's a lot of things happening astrologically and planetary wise. So just to put it in a nutshell, Jupiter and Saturn are lining up with a huge stargate. So it started in January this year, June this year, and this is the completed one on the 21st of December. So it's also the solstice in our part of the world, winter solstice over in other parts of the world. So longest day for us, shortest day for the people that are experiencing winter. But this gateway with Jupiter and Saturn, it's a portal to bring in cosmic love, galactic love, and the compassionate love of the goddess. So that's really beautiful. So there's people asking all around the world, there's millions and millions of people focusing on the 21st to birth in the new earth. That's what the 21st is, one of the things is about. So they're asking people, all of you, if you could get your friends together, as many people or yourself, and really focus on the intention of the happy, healthy, clean earth, waters, air, and we live as a race of peace and total love, respect and benevolence for all life. There's also the fifth, we're merging from the third dimension forth to the fifth dimension on the 21st as well. It's like a big switch is clicking over. So it means we're getting out of overthinking, overanalyzing, everything's time controlled, or the emotional body blowing up. We're actually coming into our state of grace as of then, full switching that. And the other exciting news I just found out yesterday, I'm so excited, from Tim Wilde and Diana Cooper. I watched one of their shows and one of their online trainings, and they were talking about we've been under, as a collective race, under one sun, bringing in rays of light, rays of consciousness, and part of our ascension journey. Well, as of the 21st of December, seven suns will be coming through, that we can access the light, the consciousness, the pureness, the grace, the beauty, the blessings, the wholeness of those seven suns. So on the 16th we'll be anchoring in that as a meditation for you, as well as talking in more depth what you can be doing and how it can be impacting you for the next 100 years, 1,000 years, depending on how many years you choose to live on this beautiful planet, our glorious home, you master alchemist you. So please join us, get your friends involved. If not with us, Google research anything that's happening on the 21st. The Indigenous elders in Uluru in Australia, they're calling in the people to sit and focus and send energy. Also on the 21st, they're activating 5 sites around Australia for the shift, as well as it'll activate New Zealand, which will then activate the whole planet. So the 21st is a big shift.
Yeah.
Very powerful. Yeah.
And if you are between now and then, because all of this time is preparation, it's not just going to happen on the 21st, there's preparation that we need to be doing. So if you're feeling like I'm feeling a bit today, a bit de-energized, a bit tired, a bit out of it, just go out onto the earth and ground yourself. This is the most important thing leading up to the 21st, is just becoming aware of these perhaps emotional or bodily things that might be happening that you're not quite sure about.
A lot of changes.
And we're being called to step out onto the earth and just be. So that's all you really need to do. Hydrate.
Because what the what the hydration does, it helps you to integrate the light and the new frequency with more grace.
Yeah.
Back to you.
Yeah. So no, that's really it. So just preparation from now to then. Whenever you can, sit on the earth, put your feet on the earth, in the water, hydrate yourself like Dorothy has said, and just allow whatever might be coming up for you to just be and breathe through it. When we first did our first promo, we did the open and close just as a physical Qigong move to help get into the present moment. So we might just do that before we end.
Yeah.
So just sit in a comfortable position, or you could be standing on the earth. And when you're breathing in, the hands are expanding, drawing in the energy, expanding the energy. And when you breathe out, gently allow them to come back. And breathe in, expanding the light and the energy, and releasing anything known or unknown that's going on for you. And breathe in and breathe out. Just another method that I'd like to be able to share with you today is, if you're feeling any tension, anxiety, any pain in the body, any pain in the mental body, is just to tap here on the thymus of the chest. And you just tap, 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 tap. Do it for about a minute, or 30 seconds even, 30 seconds to a minute, just gently rubbing in circular motions in this area.
Doesn't matter which way.
Well, no, you'll find your own.
Clockwise, or you'll find it.
Clockwise, yeah,
Right,
you'll
okay.
find your own way. So it's a tap, tap, a circular motion, and then just tapping.
What if your jewellery's in the way?
Yeah, you need to move the jewellery to have a clear path there. But just to help you relax and ground. And then just take one breath and relax. There you go. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, you keep going.
Just another heads up, on the 10th of this month, December the 10th, there's going to be Pluto's doing something. Can't remember what exactly it was.
They're having a party because it's my birthday on the 9th, so they're having a party.
Fantastic.
Your birthday yet.
But it's called Iris or something. Pluto is in Iris, I don't quite understand. But it's to do with the warrior goddess coming out and standing in awareness with, if the establishment is out of whack, she's standing there strong now going, no more. So just if you all of a sudden your goddess warrior comes up, go, oh, Pluto's just come in and given me my wusha.
Yeah.
So that's so good. Then on the 14th of December is a total solar eclipse. So what happens is the moon will come across our sun. So our sun is our light. So when the moon comes across like that and your light is slightly dimmed, a lot of stuff can come up. So if all of a sudden you just feel like you've been whacked in the head, no, it's because of the solar eclipse, and that's okay. Just what I do is I really work on focusing on the light as much as I can. So I'm coming back home, releasing whatever's come up to the higher realities to sort with grace, and I just keep coming home to the light, because I believe we're all amazing giants of light, and we're being absolutely prepared for the 21st.
Yeah. Knowing that each of us is a thread of light, you and me and all of us are weaving this new tapestry of life. And that's why it all feels a little bit uncomfortable, because everything's had to come undone so that we can recreate this new way of being. So tap into that thread of light that you are, ground your energies, breathe and hydrate.
Perfect. See you on the 16th, 2 o'clock, bring your friends, and then on the 21st it's Woompa.
Yeah, absolutely.
Big love. Big love to all of you.
Big energies.
Yes.
And our beautiful rose quartz temple.
Yes.
Please look it up if you haven't. Yep, it's there. loveplanet.com.au.
Yeah,
So we'd love you to look into this.
This is part of the new earth energies that we're bringing in. So
and this is actually Dorothy's brainchild, and we are so excited to have this. So what do we say, Dorothy? If you know any millionaires, billionaires, stars, celebrities, please get them on board with this, because this is something that is energetically going to change many, many lives.
It's
So
for
great.
you. It's for
Yeah,
all of us.
It is,
Yes.
100%. So help birth in the new word.
Yes.
Big love there. All right, big love to all you.
Thank you,
so
everyone.
much, Melissa.
Pleasure. Thanks, everybody.
See you on the 6th day.
See you on this